Hello, my name is Eric Montoya, and I'm doing my video for the task what I have completed. The first task is as a player. I want my avatar and enemies to have a health system to indicate my avatar survivability. The description: the player and enemy's avatar will have a number that indicates how much health the player's avatar and enemies have. Also, both the player and enemy UI will indicate how much damage they took. The completion criteria: the initial max health and display number above the avatars. As you can see, it says 100 over my avatar. If I move closer to this enemy, it is saying 100. You can't. That's a little bug, but it still has 100 over it. I need to fix that bug. Also, it displays the next bullet point for the completion criteria is display the current health with the number above the avatar. And right now it's the current health, 100. The next criteria is when the avatar and enemy take damage, the amount of damage will be displayed for X amount of seconds while the current health will be updated and displayed. So what I did is, since we didn't have a weapon system, if I push enter, it will show for a few seconds in red the amount of damage took by both enemy and player, and it will update, and then it will also update the current health. So as I push enter, 1, 2, it disappears. Now it shows the current health at 75. Show you one more time. When I push enter, the amount of damage is displayed for 2 seconds, and then the current health will be displayed above the avatars. 1, 2 is displayed. Okay, that one's complete. I'm going to pause it for a second to go to my next task what I have completed. And the next task what I completed is, as the camera, I want to view the world in a third person perspective, so the player could view their surroundings. The description: the camera will be located behind the player, and they could view the environment in front of them. Also, the player could rotate on the X-axis to view their surroundings in 360 degrees. The player has the option to view on the Y-axis. The completion criteria: let me just go back real quick. So the completion criteria: the player moves the mouse on this X-axis to rotate the camera to view the game world X-axis, looking left and right. So as you can see, I could look left or right, all around. I'm moving my mouse in the positive, move my mouse to the right and to the left, and then the player moves the mouse on the Y-axis to view the game world Y-axis, looking up and down. I'm looking up, I'm looking down, and that is the completion of my 2 tasks that I was able to complete.